Good day everyone! Flex ko lang sa inyo ang aking makulit na puppy. Ayan, at umakyat nga siya sa second floor at pinipilit niyang buksan ang door ng kanyang brother. Yes, ay natutulog pa. Sabi ko sa kanya, don't get him up. Ayan, at andun nga lang siya sa tapat ng door ng kanyang brother. And he keep waited na lumabas na. Ayan, and keep barking. Ayan guys, so please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to write down a little bit longer comment for my revenue. I love you all guys, and keep watching every video that I'm going to post it here. Love you all. God bless. Keep watching my video, loved ones.